The other setups that are built into our software, instead of using a time range, we use zones, okay? And those are specialized zones that we wrote. And that setup is called the one-click range trade with colored zones. It's basically a similar concept. Instead of using time, the entry type, instead of range trade, is one-click range trade with colored zones. Then you want to make sure that your zone area is checked. Your range trade area does not need to be checked. Apply. Okay, let's see if I did it right. Will the zones show up? They sure do. Now, ticks above the zone, ticks below the zone, that's when the trade will enter. But nothing happens until I tell the trade to start to calculate. One-click range trade entry puts my orders in. If the price is above the zone, it uses the high plus the ticks above and below. Now, I don't want to confuse people. This is trading that you learn in the room. The key is you could also get into the market immediately with the long and short buttons so you can trade discretionary also. The point is our software has multiple zones. Valerie, range trades, they vary. They go through different times. Most of the trades that you've seen in the trade room currently, the prime trades are breakout trades. It's just the nature of what you've seen at this particular time. We don't have a lot of range trades, but a lot of traders like to use ranges, and that's why we put it in the software. So it's not so much whether or not you've seen them and that we've used tons of them. The point is the choice is there so you can use it in the software. The point is that our software can be used for specific types of events, or it can also be used discretionary, because when you enable a one-click range trade or when you enable a range trade, it has a button that puts you in the market using the stops and the targets that are built into our software. No, you still need the zone indicator. We'll have trades where we'll use zones. So I would say the zone indicator is built into the software, Josh, anyway. You don't need to install it. It's built into NinjaTrader 8. And that's another reason why we like to use NinjaTrader 8. It has more things built in. So we go over all the software settings. Every trade has different settings.